What's up, everyone? We just picked up this go-kart off of Facebook Marketplace. So stay tuned for some awesome content with this thing, and we are going to clean it up. So we need to take this seat out because there are ants in it. So get back to y'all when I'm done with that. Got the seat out. It was pretty easy. It was just one bolt in the back. There it is. Had ants all over it. We're gonna clean it up real good with this dirt boss right here. So we're gonna pressure wash this all up. I'll probably set up a little time lapse, so yeah. Gonna spray some heavy duty Slick Products degreaser on here. That's what I'm gonna do. So we'll let it soak while I pressure wash the cart, and then I'll spray it off. All right, we got it all power washed. It's looking pretty good. So we're gonna dry it off, dry that seat off, slap it back in, and this will be part one of cleaning up a rusty, junky go-kart off of Facebook Marketplace. Oh yeah, and here's the seat. Cleaned up pretty good. And there it is after it's been washed. This is just part one. We still got a lot to do. We gotta do a whole maintenance video on the motor. The seat cleaned up nice. I don't have it bolted in there because there's wood on the bottom and it's kind of rotted, so I'm gonna get a new piece under there. So I just sat it on there. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna order tonight. I'm gonna order 2 long ones for the bottom and all new of these checkered things. So it'll be all nice checkered. So yeah, that was part one of cleaning up this rusty and not really junky, but Facebook Marketplace go-kart find. Stay tuned for a lot of content with this thing.